Alright, this episode we're bearing the 97 Magnum 425 in for air filter, and we're going to check the front wheel bearings. Let's get to it. Alright, let's reward Leroy's four-wheeler with an air filter. And I dropped all his nuts, so I bought a big bag of stainless steel wing nuts. So,
then the big one. Then the big one. Then the big one. And the really big one.
well, it looks like we're one nut short.
One nut short, yep.
Come on, go on.
Going in. Here. Put this on. Excuse me.
Can you get one more nut?
Where are they?
Where is it?
Where are they?
Top shelf, not bolt bin. There we go. One more nut and we're done. Let's move to the front wheels and see if we can adjust the front wheel bearings. Alright, next step, we take the caps off. Okay, here. There we go. Focus.
Let me.
So we just refilled these the last time we had this wheeler in the service, and they're full of ATF according to the repair shop. 364 Sports. So we did that. Now, if I remember correctly, our
Just pop these over in. Oh, well, it's not theirs.
come on. I think there's a pair of O-rings inside here just to seal the plastic cap. And I believe I only had one side off, so this might be the more difficult one of the two, just for that fact. Wow, this is quite a pain.
Yeah, you need to pull the mass off of this.
Need a screwdriver, Dwayne.
Yeah. Yep.
Think you can get a screwdriver?
Yeah. Oh,
there we go.
oh. Ew, 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 ew.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yep, stinks. Hey, that's some bolt. We don't need some of them. Look what's in there.
Wow, that stinks.
Yep.
So this wheel's here's good. It doesn't have any play, but we're gonna refill the ATF. So wow, that stinks.
Yeah, it stinks.
That is just black and nasty. All right, we're gonna refill this one and get back to the next wheel.
Yep. Oh, there it goes.
Changing these, take out the fill plug because these are actually suction in. This one's starting to break free. It's also pretty black and nasty.
Yeah.
But this is the wheel.
Yep. That does have slop.
Where's the play though? Looks like it's a rear wheel bearing. There we go. They're both bent. All right. You gotta oil the seal just to make life a little smoother. There we are. Zip those in with the impact, and then
Heck. Oh, he's gonna blast off like a rocket.